Hello friends, today we are going to solve this question paper regarding to 8th standard. It is the baseline test 2024-25 subject English third language for standard 8th. So here is the question paper of English subject. We have to solve it. Here in the first question there is listen to the story and answer the question orally in one word. So it has two sections, oral section and writing section. So it has 10 marks. Oral section has 10 marks. So here is the paragraph. There was a king called Ram Raja. He had 3 daughters. Their names were Monali, Sonali and Rupali. Monali was the eldest of all. Sonali was elder and Rupali was younger one. All the girls were very obedient. They were proud of their father and their mother was proud of them. Monali liked cooking, Sonali liked horse riding, while Rupali liked to study. So here is in this story there is a king and he had 3 daughters and their attitudes are also different here. So Monali, Sonali and Rupali are the names of the daughters, and Monali was the eldest of all and Sonali was elder and Rupali was younger one. And the girls were very obedient to their master here, means here their father or parents. They were proud of their father. All the girls were proud of their father and their mother was also proud of them. And Monali liked cooking, Sonali liked horse riding, and while in regarding of this here Rupali liked to study here. So here is the short passage, and regarding to this passage there are 6 questions you have to ask to the students, and they will give you the answer orally here. So like this, how many daughters the king had? The students will give the answer. The answer is given here 3. Then how were all the girls? The girls were very obedient. The answer is here. Who was the younger daughter? Rupali was the younger daughter. So it has been given here in the paragraph. So who was elder daughter? Elder daughter was Sonali. So what did Monali like? And Monali liked cooking. She liked cooking. So what did Sonali like? Sonali liked here horse riding. So all the information is given here in the passage. Now it has 4 marks here. You may ask 4 questions to your student one by one. Then question number 2, read a passage of 5 sentences from the text of standard 7 with proper pronunciation. Means here with proper stress and intonation. Here you may select any kind of passage regarding to the टेक्स्टबुक ऑफ स्टँडर्ड 7 हियर. इथे 7वीच्या इंग्रजीच्या पुस्तकातील कुठलाही एक उतारा तुम्ही या ठिकाणी मुलांना वाचायला सांगायला लावू शकतात. सो हियर इन दिस वे वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड द ओरल सेक्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर. नाउ इट हॅज 10 मार्क्स. देन there is a writing skill in second section, writing section, and it has 50 marks here. So including 60 marks are there for this baseline test. We are discussing here about the baseline test paper regarding to English language for 8th standard. Now here is the writing skill. The question number 3 begins here with writing skill. It has 50 marks. So question number 3, do as directed. दर्शवल्याप्रमाणे करा. 8 marks are there. या प्रश्नाला 8 गुण या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहेत पहा. इथे पहिला प्रश्न दिला आहे पहा बेटा. ए राईट पास्ट टेन्स ऑफ द गिवन व्हर्ब एनी टू. इथे क्रियापद दिलेली आहे तुम्हाला, त्याचा पास्ट टेन्स फॉर्म तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे, भूतकाळी रूप लिहायचं आहे. बघा टेकचं भूतकाळी रूप या ठिकाणी दिलं आहे पहा. टूक, कॅरी, कॅरीड, कम, केम, टॉक, टॉक्ड. ओके. नाऊ इन बी complete the following words by using correct letters any two. So it has also 2 marks. Okay. So you have to note down the missing letter in the words. So here is the word joy, J-O-Y. So Y is the missing letter here in this word. Then the second word is here monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. N is the missing letter. Then third, WRITE, T is the missing letter. Right, the third word is here right, and the fourth word is here mango, MANGO. So in the first word O is the missing letter. In the second word N is the missing letter. In the third word T is the missing letter, and in fourth A is the missing letter. Now C section, in C, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of the given words. So it has also 2 marks. When we reach the ground, the match dash over. So here are the 4 options in front of you: was, where, is, and are. Helping verbs are here. To be forms are given here to you. So when we reach the ground, so here is the past tense form. Here we reached the ground, simple past tense is given here. The match was over. So the correct option is here was. When we reached the ground, the match was over. Now the second sentence is here. My sister liked dash tabla. So here 4 options: to read, to play, to look, to write. मग माझ्या बहिणीला आवडते काय आवडते तर तबला वाजवणे. मग इथे वाजवणे यासाठी फ्रेज आलेली आहे पहा बेटा, टू प्ले. टू प्ले या शब्दाचा अर्थ इथे वाजवणे असा होतो. म्हणून इथे या वाक्यामध्ये असं येईल पहा, माय सिस्टर लाईक्स टू प्ले तबला. हे उत्तर या ठिकाणी बरोबर येईल. नाऊ डी सेक्शन in question number 3, complete the table using the singular or plural forms of given nouns. बघा इथे या ठिकाणी नाउन्स दिलेले आहेत, तुम्हाला सिंग्युलर आणि प्लुरलमध्ये ते कन्व्हर्ट करायचे आहेत पहा. इथे सिंग्युलर फॉर्म दिला आहे पहा गर्ल. गर्लचा प्लुरल फॉर्म आपल्याला माहिती आहे गर्ल्स असं होतं पहा. नंतर इथे प्लुरल फॉर्म दिला आहे पहा बेबीज, त्याचं सिंग्युलर फॉर्म होईल बेबी. बेबीज हे प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये दिलेलं आहे, त्याचं सिंग्युलर फॉर्म होईल पहा बेबी. नंतर ऑक्स असं दिलं आहे पहा, ऑक्सचा सिंग्युलर फॉर्म इथे दिलेला आहे, त्याचा प्लुरल फॉर्म होईल ऑक्सेन, OXEN. त्याचं स्पेलिंग असेल पहा OXEN. Now in this way we have completed A, B, C and D in question number 3. Now look at question number 4. Dear friends, question number 4 is here. Here are some pictures and regarding to these pictures you have to mention 2 related words given the pictures. So the question is here, we have to write down. Write 2 words related to given things. So here are the 4 things which are given here in front of you. The first thing is, he indicates here there is a school bag, and you have to note down the 2 regarding words here related to school bag. The first one is here books, then notebooks. Then the second picture is here a flower. Here is the picture of flower, and regarding words, related words with flower are here leaves, then birds. Then blackboard, the third picture indicates here blackboard. Then the regarding words here to blackboard, chalk, duster, then mobile, message, photo. So these are the related words with the pictures. Okay, so we have completed here. Now question number 4, A section we have completed. Then B, question number 4B. Here make new words by adding proper suffix given in the bracket. So here are the suffixes which are given here, AL, ION, LY. हे सफिक्स या ठिकाणी, सफिक्सला आपण म्हणतो या ठिकाणी प्रत्यय. सफिक्सला काय म्हणतो आपण? प्रत्यय. आणि प्रेफिक्सला म्हणतो आपण उपसर्ग. तर आपल्याला इथे प्रत्यय या ठिकाणी जोडायचं आहे पहा. नेशनला AL असा प्रत्यय जर जोडला तर त्याचं नाऊन तयार होईल पहा, नेशन, नॅशनल. ओके, मीन्स AL. इथे AL प्रत्यय जोडायचा आहे. नंतर काम हा शब्द दिला आहे पहा, त्याला LY प्रत्यय जोडावा लागेल बघा, काम, कामली. ओके. Now question number 5 is there. Here is the question number 5. It has 5 marks. Complete the following procedure with the help of the given words in the brackets. So you have given some words. इथे तुम्हाला या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत आणि ते शब्द या रिकाम्या जागांमध्ये तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी भरायचे आहेत. बघा इथे डायरेक्ट आन्सर्स आर गिवन हिअर टू यू. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज हिअर प्रेशर, बर्स, tire, reduce and fill. So these are the words which are given here to you. You have to use these words by filling the sentences. Okay. So here is the first sentence. check the air pressure in the tire by pressing it with your hand. The first answer is here pressure. Then second, check how many air is needed and fill in accordingly. Okay. Now the third action is here, check the air pressure again by pressing the tire with your hand. Now the fourth sentence is here, inflate it only as much as required, otherwise the tube may burst. Then number 5, if the air is more than necessary, reduce it. Okay. So in this way we have complete this paragraph here by using these words which are given here in the bracket. So in this way we have completed question number 5 also here. Now question number 6 is given here to you. Here is the paragraph. When I called upon my friend Mr. Sherlock Holmes, he was conversing with a visitor who was an elderly man with fiery and red hair. Holmes introduced me to the visitor, Mr. Jabez Wilson. He was a pawnbroker. Holmes asked him to repeat his story for me. He began by showing us an advertisement in a newspaper. So you have to so here arrange the following sentences as per its occurrence in the passage. Means here respectively you have to arrange all these words, the things, the incident which had happened here in this passage here. So you have to arrange all these sentences here respectively. Okay, as per the incident. Okay. आता इथे या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये एक प्रसंग या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे आणि त्या प्रसंगाच्या वर्णनानुसार कुठला प्रसंग आधी घडलेला आहे त्या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला या वाक्यांना अरेंज करायचं आहे. पहा आता बघा इथे पहिला प्रसंग या ठिकाणी असा आहे. पहा पहिल्या नंबरला हे वाक्य येईल. पहा 2 नंबरला जे वाक्य दिलं आहे बघा, व्हेन आय कॉल्ड अपॉन माय फ्रेंड मिस्टर शर्लॉक होम्स, हे पहिलं वाक्य येईल. पहा व्हेन आय कॉल्ड अपॉन माय फ्रेंड मिस्टर शर्लॉक होम्स, ही या इन्सिडंटने याची सुरुवात या ठिकाणी होते. पहा द सेकंड इन्सिडंट इज हियर, होम्स इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टू द व्हिजिटर. हियर इज द सेकंड इन्सिडंट. देन थर्ड इन्सिडंट which was taken place here, he was a pawnbroker. And the last incident regarding to this passage is here, Holmes asked him to repeat his story for me. Now in this way we have completed 6 question here, question number 6. Now question number 7, here read the following poem and do the activities. You have given a short poem, a parody, how doth the little busy bee. The actions regarding to the bee are given here in the poem by the poet, and the name of the poet is here Isaac Watts. He has written this poem. Okay, how doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. How skillfully he builds her sail, how neat she spreads her wings and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. So here is the short poem, and you have to solve all the questions regarding to this poem here. या कवितेला अनुसरून तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी काही प्रश्न दिलेले आहेत ते आपण सोडवूया. बघा, राईट 4 वर्क्स ऑफ द बी, मीन्स हियर ॲक्शन्स रिगार्डिंग टू द बी. इथे मधमाशी, बघा मधमाशीच्या कोणकोणत्या कृती किंवा कोणकोणत्या ॲक्शन्स या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या आहेत त्या या बॉक्सेसमध्ये तुम्हाला इथे लिहायच्या आहे. बघा, गॅदर हनी ऑल द डे. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ॲक्शन रिगार्डिंग टू द बी. देन सेकंड ॲक्शन, बिल्ड्स हर सेल, स्प्रेड्स हर वॅक्स, देन स्वीट फूड शी मेक्स. सो दीज आर द 4 actions regarding to the bee which are given here by the poet. We have noted here like this, and it has 4 marks here. Okay, now a part we have completed here regarding to the poem. Now B section, B part is given here regarding to that poem. Who is the poet of the given poem? And the name of the poet is given here under that poem, and this poem is written by Isaac Watts. So the name of the poet is here Isaac Watts. Now you have to write the pairs of rhyming words. यमक जोडणारे शब्द तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लिहायचे आहे. पहा त्या कवितेतील our flower sell well. Okay, now here is the paragraph regarding to the greatest writer Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, one of the greatest writer of India. We know that Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was a great writer, musician and thinker. He is known for his songs, poems, novels, short stories, plays, etc. The Welcome is a funny one-act play in which a young man wants to tell the people in his village that he has passed MA, but everybody talks to him about his cat. Have you ever had such an experience? Okay. So here is the paragraph regarding to the man, and he wants to that the people in the village address to him because he has passed MA, but all his expectations are collapsed here. Okay. एक मनुष्य असतो पहा, तो MA पास झालेला असतो आणि तो गावातील प्रत्येक लोकांना त्या ठिकाणी सांगत असतो की मी MA पास झालो, परंतु त्याकडे कोणीच लक्ष त्या ठिकाणी देत नाही. परंतु त्याच्या हातामध्ये एक मांजर असते आणि त्या मांजरीविषयीच लोक त्याला त्या मांजरीचंच वर्णन करतात. मात्र त्याला जे अपेक्षित असते की त्याची स्तुती करावी किंवा त्याचं अभिनंदन करावं असं त्याला अपेक्षित असते. मात्र तसं काही प्रत्यक्षात घडत नाही. अशी एक मजेशीर कथा या ठिकाणी, कथेचा एक प्रसंग या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे पहा रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांच्या. बघा आता इथे प्रश्न विचारलेले आहे पहा तुम्हाला. क्वेश्चन ए, व्हॉट इज गुरुदेव रवींद्रनाथ टागोर नोन फॉर? कीवर्ड्स आर गिवन हियर फॉर यू. Gurudev Tagore was known for his songs, poems, novels, short stories, plays, etc. बघा त्याचं उत्तर हे इथे दिलं आहे. बघा ही हे सर्वनाम वापरलं आहे पहा. ही मीन्स हिअर गुरुदेव रवींद्रनाथ टागोर इज नोन फॉर. बघा इट इज द कीवर्ड्स. फाइंड आउट द कीवर्ड्स while finding the answers from the passage. Known for his songs, poem, novels, short stories, plays. So it is the answer. Okay, we can find out easily here. Now in B, which is the funny one act play? What is it? What is in it? Baga the name of that one act play which is funny one. Here is the name. The Welcome is the name of one act play in which a young man wants to tell the people in his village that he has passed MA, but everybody talks to him about his cat. Okay, so we have complete this paragraph here regarding to this passage. Okay, so all the answers are given here in the passage. Okay, now we have completed question number 8. Now the next question number 9. Question number 9 is given here. You have to fill this form while taking the admission. बघा इथे तुम्हाला शाळेमध्ये ज्यावेळेला तुम्ही ॲडमिशन घेतात त्यावेळेला अशा पद्धतीचा फॉर्म तुम्हाला भरावा लागतो. इट हॅज ऑल्सो 8 मार्क्स हिअर अँड इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. रीड द फॉलोइंग ॲडमिशन फॉर्म अँड कंप्लीट ऑल डिटेल्स गिवन इन द फॉर्म. यूज द कॅपिटल लेटर्स वाईल फिलिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म हिअर. ओके, इथे ॲडमिशन फॉर्म तुम्हाला भरायचा आहे, कॅपिटल लेटर्सचा वापर करावा लागेल. बघा नेम ऑफ द स्टुडंट पाटील किरण जगन्नाथ. नेम ऑफ द पॅरेंट्स पाटील जगन्नाथ आत्माराम. देन क्लास यू वॉन्ट टू ॲपियर फॉर स्टँडर्ड 8th असं लिहायचं 8th. देन स्टुडंट्स बर्थ डेट 29th of February 2004 असं त्या ठिकाणी घ्यायचं आहे. बघा नाऊ वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ऑल्सो हिअर. Question number 10 is given here. Observe the given picture and write 4 lines about it. So you have to observe this picture and note down the 4 lines here. Okay, and it has also 4 marks. So here in the picture there are two persons are talking each other here. Okay, there are 2 people in the picture. They are talking each other. A young man wants to tell him that he has passed MA, but the another man talks about his cat. So it is the funny incident. हा जो प्रसंग आहे हा कसा आहे तर मजेशीर आहे, गमतीशीर आहे अशा पद्धतीने. सो हिअर वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड question number 10. Now the last question is here. Second last question number 11. Complete the given sentences. My name is you have complete like this. My name is Kiran Jagannath Patil, like this. Then dash is my country. India is my country. We know that India is my country. And what is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Then I am proud of to be an Indian. So in this way we have complete these sentences here. Okay, then the last question is here. You have to translate these sentences into your medium of instruction or your mother tongue. Okay, so translate the following sentences into your mother tongue. Okay, so here the first sentence is here. My school name is आदर्श विद्यालया. याचं मराठीमध्ये असं रूपांतर होईल बा, माझ्या शाळेचे नाव आदर्श विद्यालय आहे. फ्रेंड इन नीड, इट इज अ वेल नोन प्रोव्हर्ब हियर. इट हॅज बीन गिवन हियर. फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. याचा अर्थ असा होतो, ही एक या ठिकाणी त्याला प्रोव्हर्ब म्हणतो आपण, म्हण आहे. ती म्हण आहे बघा, संकटकाळी जो कामात पडतो तोच खरा मित्र. सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव completed this baseline test. So have a nice day to all of you. I am requesting to all of you to subscribe my channel English for Learners. Have a nice day once again, all of you. Thank you very much.